A future bank branch will probably not exist in the same way anymore. So we at Appway, we believe that it's absolutely important to provide a lot of different channels. So banks are supposed to let their customers engage with them on their very own terms. So there's going to be a lot of additional digital channels in addition to the standard banking branch. So your future branch might be a digital one, at the same time also a non-digital one, because it's important to cover all the bases.
So right now, big banks are using blockchain, or they're doing blockchain projects. They're doing proof of concepts. They're doing experiments. Right now, they're not really using blockchain to its full potential. They're exploring it. They're experimenting with it. I think there is a potential later on down the line that they will fully utilize the full potential of blockchain technologies. But I don't think it will be how they're trying to use it. Right now, banks are taking 20th century business models like mortgages and loans and current accounts and shoving it all on the blockchain as an experiment. I think when people start to realise the full potential of blockchain, they'll realise there's actually new business models that banks can lend themselves to, like the management of people's data, for example. And when they realise that actually blockchain enables banks to take their historical benefits like trust and security and take them forward into new 21st century business models, I think that's when banks will realise the full potential of blockchain technologies.
Yeah, one important part in innovation is that we are able to use agile ways of working in an efficient way. We are building up the customer experiences that are more starting from the customer end than inside out. And that's what we are working in the Nordea, and taking care that our people in the development side, so they are close to our customers. They are also working together with the fintechs and the innovative companies who are building up these type of solutions.
The most difficult challenge we have is to transform ourselves in a really open organization. AI, analytics, all the kind of evolution, innovation bring to us require to become open, adopt open innovation, open talent, open platform. So transform from a traditional point of view to an open organization is the most difficult challenge.
From a technology point of view, there are a lot of things happening, changes and new opportunities, possibilities. For me in person, the biggest change is around the communication and marketing aspects that these technologies offer. I think for the customer going forward, the exchange, the communications with the companies will become more seamless across the various channels, more orchestrated, more relevant. So I think that's where the change is happening, and that's where, for instance, also my company is moving to.
Perfect customer experience is that we conduct that experience at a time, at a place, and in a way that suits the customer rather than the way that suits the bank. we'd really love our customers to have a smile all the way through rather than a frustrated grimace. So it really should be in a way that the customer feels that they're in control rather they're being put into a position that they don't want to be in.